If you want to shut down iPhone 16e, you have several methods to do so. The first method is by going to the control center, so on the right side of the phone, swipe from the top towards the middle like this, and then press and hold your finger on the power button over here in the top right corner. Hold it for a second and then release the finger in order to show the power off slider. We need to move the slider, or the button actually, to the right like this, and then if you release your finger you will turn off the phone. The other method to do so is by going to the settings. In the settings you can go to general, scroll all the way down and choose shutdown, and as you can see this is also a way to show the slider to power off iPhone 16e. And the last method is by pressing and holding volume down and power button, or the side button, or volume up and the side button for a couple of seconds. So let me show you. Press and hold for like 2 seconds, and then you should be able to find the slider here as well. So move it to the right, let it go after you move it to the right, and after a few seconds the phone will be off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!